Welcome to Hexaltouch School. In this lesson, we will learn how to pronounce the Dutch vowel combination a and a. Together, they form I, a diphthong, a sound made by gliding from one vowel to another. This sound may look simple, but it's often mispronounced. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Start by saying a, like in the English words pen or bed. Your mouth should be slightly open and your tongue forward. Step 2. Without pausing, glide into a short e, like in the English word machine. Your lips stay relaxed. Your tongue moves slightly up. The sound I is one smooth movement. Do not stop or split the sound into two vowels. You can think of it like saying ae very quickly, or even like the sound in the English word day or hey. But remember, the Dutch version is shorter and more controlled. Listen closely. I. Try repeating it now. Slowly and clearly. When you're ready, try it in real Dutch words. Like eigen, which means own. Or reis, which means journey. That's how you pronounce the Dutch diphthong. I. Great job. Keep practicing. See you in the next lesson.